Yo, it just got through raining. Um, Still drizzling. It did that to a couple stuff by my house. Still a little damage. Little damage. I'm gonna show y'all a couple of things we did. My neighborhood. Of course, you can see I stay in a nice neighborhood. Look at Look at that. Knock trees down. Oh yeah. They really knocked trees down. Y'all like, look, it blew trees down. Oh yeah. That's like a whole tree. They knocked it down. So I mean, if you ain't got to, really, stay in the house. That's the message for it, man. Like seriously, don't be outside taking it to school. Stay in the house. With that rain, man, it ain't playing. Look at that blue chairs, you know. Cut my grass up today. Ain't looking too bad. Man, I can imagine what they did to the backyard. I don't even want to see, but I don't even want to go back there. But peace, y'all. Bunker Boy, I'm out.